Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and I'm on eBay and I'm at the page for Roland TD-07KV E-Drum percussion set bundle. So this is a fully functioning electronic drum kit from Roland, and there's the that's what it is. All mesh head. You get a stool with it, so you get and earphones. You get a actual bass pedal as well. Yeah, bass pedal and sticks as well. So there's a bit of an accessory package to this. But this is a kit that is by Roland, mesh heads, realistic sound. Great for practice. You can practice with this. You can do with this in a flat, or in an apartment, or in close proximity housing or anything like that, and you aren't going to upset your neighbours with this. So you can use this with headphones. You can amplify it with an amplifier if you want, and put a couple of speakers through that. For your stereo, you can do that, and you can play along. It's just, that's how this is. And yeah, you can have some speakers pushing out the sound for you, or you can do it on headphones. But yeah, it's probably better that you can make it realistic as you possibly can. But the mesh heads make it realistic anyway. So, and you get a stool with this, so as well. So there's the stool there, along with the sticks, and also the headphones, and the bass pedal. So with the beater, right? So which goes up on that pad there. So that's how that works. I mean, it's a standard kit, so 5-piece. Again, see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, it's not. Yeah, five piece. It's a 5-piece kit because there's 5 drum sounds. There's one from the bass pedal, one from the snare, one from the first tom, one from the second tom, and one from the floor tom. So, and plus you've got your hi-hat, your splat, your crash cymbal, and your ride cymbal here, and that's all moduled on the module here. So you can, I mean, I can go through this. It's no problem. Yeah. So there it is there from a different angle. What we got here? Oh, here we go. And this is how we show. There's the you show these heads, which are double mesh heads by Roland, and these guys were the ones that created this. They're called the V-drum. See, that's one marked on there. So yeah, there's 4 V-drums, mesh head V-drums. So, and one beater for bass pedal beater as well. So, and it creates the realistic sound. This one can be used in the studio as well, because it produces the realistic sounds. But personally, but then to play live, this could be all good for practice. That's about all, But playing live, you want the realistic kit. So you want the acoustic look. So the EF note would probably be the best one for that, or the other Roland, which is a hybrid for which has got the wooden shells. That one would be right too, for live and studio work as well. So this one here is just a normal kit. You can play this at home, like I said, in a flat. No, you don't have to upset your neighbours. Quietly. You can use it. You can amplify it if you want, and you can play music to it. You don't have to play the music loud because this kit doesn't play. Well, it can play loud. It can be put through a PA system, but yeah, it can. This can be put through a PA system, so other musicians can play along with you. So yeah, that can do that. but it's not, you know, if you're working in in a band, you know, in a live situation, this doesn't look too good. You know, that's all it is. You know, most bands I know in a situation you want an acoustic look, so you can get the electronic look, electronic sound with the acoustic sound with the electronic triggers and all that kind of stuff, and still have the acoustic look, which is fantastic. This seems to be the new way it's going now. So you know, so you can control the sound through a PA system, see, which is great. You know, this is great. But this is also this is very good as well. So you know, I mean, if you've got a small room, you can use this in a small room as well. So you know this, and another thing about this, it folds up, and you can stick it in a small place. That's the thing about it. So this is great for practice and everything like that. Yeah, you know, you can practice to music and do whatever you want. You know, once you get good enough, and you don't hurt your hands because it's got mesh heads, so you won't hurt your hands. You know, no, you won't. That's something that won't happen. So, which you can do with some of the other ones which have got rubber heads. You know, you can get RSI injury, repetitive stress injury, and you don't want that because it's, you know, it's you can't fix it. You know, you've just you have to get off the kit for a long period of time and give your hands enough chance to heal, and that's all you can do really, and that's how that is. And anyway, here's the module. Here it is. Here's the module C. That's drum kit live acoustic. It's Roland. You see V drum. So, and you've got your buttons and everything else here where you can change to your what kit you want and everything like that, because there's 25 kits loaded into this module, and yeah, and 25 sounds as well. So live sound. So you got a bit of the bit of a choice here that you can choose from. So which is really good. So you know, and you know, high quality is what Roland stands for, and they do produce some, you know, the best electronic drum kits as far as I'm concerned anyway, because of the mesh heads, which makes it more realistic, and you don't get injured and hurt. You know, it's not going to be harmful on your hands. You know, and that's the thing. You don't hurt the muscles in your hands, which is good. That's what you don't want, that, you see. So I would, yeah, if you're in a small situation, you're in a flat, or you're in a apartment, and you got neighbours, close proximity, housing, and you got neighbours. Well, and you still want to learn how to play the drums. Well, this kit would be ideal for that. Yeah, it would. It would be ideal for that. You know, I've got a few examples of this. So you know, when you purchase your Roland TD-07KV E-Drum set, you will get like I said, you will get headphones with it. You will get a bass drum pedal with it. You'll get sticks with it, and you'll get a throne as well, so you can sit on. So you basically be decked out. So yeah, and if you can also amplify it with a small amplifier, so then you can hear what you're playing. You could do that too through the module. So all right. So if you like this video, smash the like button. If you want to hear more, click the notification bell and just subscribe to the channel. But this will be ideal if you're in a small situation, you know, close proximity with neighbours and stuff like that, and you want to learn how to play. This will be a good kit for you to get. Okay, and this is what I recommend, because so you don't upset your neighbours. All right, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.